Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Philips Steam Generator 2000 series. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. With a long cable 2 meters. Here it is the cable between the base and the steam iron. It is 1.5 meters, very convenient. With durable ceramic plate for easy gliding. Soft elements around here at the handle. I like the design. On a grey and white color. Philips 2000 series, calc clean button here, press for 2 seconds to start, the on off button, the wheel to adjust. You can choose synthetic, eco, silk, cotton, linen. You have these options. It can stay just like that. Here it is the smart calc clean container. If you start the clean process, you need to have the steam iron here. And of course here we have the base. It can stay just like that. Soft pads. No worries about the temperature. They can handle 2400 watts. Unfortunately, we don't have a removable water tank. Just open that and refill with water. 1.4 liter capacity for long-term use gives you up to 1 hour of continuous use in eco mode, and it is suitable for tap water. Here it is the cable management. It goes just like that, around. Only for this cable. The maximum steam pressure, it is 6 bar. You can have a quick ironing with 300 gram steam boost. There is the button for the steam boost. And fast grease removal with continuous steam output of 110 gram per minute. So let's fill up with water and start the ironing. Close. And here it is the max capacity. Press the button. At the front we have the LED indicator. Heating time is 2 minutes. You can hear the sound, solid on the LED light. That means it is ready. Pressing the button here is start to pumping water. By selecting different ironing, it will increase the temperature and will start flashing the light and will stop when reach the desired temperature. The Philips Steam Generator represents a premium line of steam iron, designed for fast, professional quality ironing at home. Best for large families, frequent ironers, or anyone who values wrinkle-free clothes without spending hours ironing. No water at the clothes, that is very good. The Philips 2000 steam generator iron combines powerful steam performance with user-friendly features, making it a valuable addition to any household aiming to simplify and enhance their ironing experience. Operating at a maximum pump pressure of 6 bar, this steam generator penetrates deep into fabrics, making ironing more efficient and less time consuming. With its continuous steam output of 110 grams per minute and 6 bar pressure, this steam generator makes quick work of even the toughest wrinkles. The extra large 1.4 liter water tank means fewer refills, while the long cord keeps things tangle-free during use. If you are tired of spending hours ironing or want quality results at home, the Philips is absolutely worth considering. It's perfect for busy households with lots of laundry, professionals who need crisp shirts daily, anyone who values time-saving appliances. And that wraps up our review of the Philips Steam Generator 2000 series. This powerful ironing system has proven to be a game changer for tackling laundry day, transforming wrinkled clothes into perfectly pressed garments with professional level steam power. Did you find this review helpful? Give us a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest appliance reviews and home improvement tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, life's too short for bad ironing. Until next time, happy steaming!